Operational efficiency drives manufacturing success. Developed by the Institute for Artificial Intelligence and Big Data, also known as AIBIG, Aingine optimizes processes through innovative AI solutions. SMEs struggle with quality control and inefficient processes. Traditional methods fall short, causing errors and waste. Aingine solves these pain points with its web-based AI platform, leveraging computer vision for seamless AI integration, streamlining operations, and ensuring quality. Key features include object detection with color tags for automated inspection, image segmentation for accurate recognition, and real-time production line counting for resource optimization. Boost productivity, reduce waste, and gain a competitive edge by integrating Aingine's customizable AI into your processes. Transform your manufacturing business now with Aingine's revolutionary AI platform. Discover how this cutting-edge AI platform can transform your business and drive operational success.